Come test drive the 2024 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find trip computer, power rear window sunshade, 8 speakers, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, compass. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.